Backyard C10 family, how we doing out there today? Just coming back with y'all to give you a little update on those rims I was working on for my buddy, and got all 4 of them done. Gonna see if we can get these tires put on this weekend and see if we can throw them on that Ford. That's what it looks like. He does have the chrome center caps, and he's going to be debating if he wants to put the center rings on it. But they are ready to go for him. Can't wait to throw those tires on there and put them on that truck to see what it looks like. As soon as we get those tires put on there, come back and let y'all see and let y'all look and see what it looks like. Appreciate y'all.